Nearly 3/4 of water samples drawn from hundreds of private wells across the state last year were contaminated with PFAS chemicals. According to a new survey from Wisconsin environmental officials, they released it just today. PFAS are man-made chemicals that do not break down easily and have been linked to cancer and other health problems. 71% of samples contained at least one PFAS chemical, that according to the survey.